Okay, let's style the calendar now. Calendar width 100. Display block. Margin top 3.6. View height. Let's copy the calendar. App name portrait. This is where you're gonna give it a display block. Reset the margin to 0. And then font size to 3.5. View height. So let's see what all these changes have done so far. Okay, it's looking better. There's going to be a couple more rules here for the calendar than there was in the current day. Not that many more though. It's not so bad. H4. Padding. So it's 1.2 view width. Then 0. Then 0.2 view width. And also the font size to 2.8 view width. Font size to 3.8 view width. And the padding here will be 1.4 view width, 2 view width on the left and right, and 0.8 view width on the bottom. So let's see what this has done. Okay, so it changed a little bit. There's still a bunch of stuff like the icons and things like that that need to be fixed. So speaking of icons, let's add the icon. Let's just say font size 2.9 view width. Weekday. This one I'm just going to change the font size 2.5 view width. Okay, calendar tbody td. Height will be 9.8 view width. The width will be 9.8 view width again, to keep them the same size. So the font size will be 1.6 view width. And the padding be 0.8 view width. Well, that's a C, not a V. So let's see what this does. Okay, so that's looking pretty good right now. The image needs to get bigger. So it's gonna have two things: the width to 7.4 view width, and top to 0.7 view width. Let's see that. Okay, so that's pretty good. The last thing here is the button. So let's go here, calendar, theme, portrait, and set the display to block. There's going to be a couple things here. So now you're going to be able to see it. Well, you should have been able to see it. Did I not select it right? Okay, let's see if I can finish these styles and then see what the problem is. View width 26.5 view width. The font size will be 4 view width. I use view width a lot. You probably noticed that. I just want to change the margin top to 2. This is view height this time. Then set the border to none. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so there it is. I wonder what it was. Maybe I didn't save it. Let me take out these styles here. See if I can still see it. Okay, so yeah, I guess I didn't save it. There's no reason not to be able to see it. Okay, so that's it for here. And in the next video, well, I'm going to set it up right now. Speed this up. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to be styling these again. So take off hidden off here. So if you look at this, so this doesn't look right. So in the next video, I'll be fixing all the pop-ups to look better on these mobile views.